In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send DocuSign for signature. By the end, you'll have successfully sent a document through DocuSign with the required fields placed so your recipient can sign and return it. First, log into DocuSign. On your screen, open DocuSign and use your email and password to sign in. If you're already logged in, you'll land on the Home or Dashboard view. Next, click New, then select Send an envelope. This opens the sending workspace where you prepare the document and recipients. An envelope in DocuSign is simply the package that contains your document and the signing instructions. Now upload your document. Click Upload and choose the file from your computer, or drag and drop it into the upload area. You can upload common formats like PDF or Word. Wait a moment for the file to finish uploading. You should see a thumbnail or file name confirming it's attached to the envelope. From here, add the recipient name and email. In the recipient section, click into the name field and type the signer's full name, then enter their email address carefully. Double-check the email before continuing, because this is where DocuSign will send the secure signing link. You don't need to change anything else here, just make sure the name and email are correct. Once that's done, DocuSign displays your document with the field tools so you can tag where the recipient needs to take action. At the top of the Fields panel, confirm the correct recipient is selected. This ensures the fields you place belong to the signer you just added. Now, drag and drop your fields onto the document. From the left panel, click and drag a signature field to the exact spot where you want the signer to sign. Position it neatly on the signature line. Then, add a date signed field near the signature so the signing date is captured automatically. If your document needs typed information, drag a text field to the appropriate location and size it to fit. If you have multiple pages, scroll through each page and place fields wherever the signer needs to act. Take a moment to check that every required place on the document has the right field and that each field is assigned to the correct recipient shown in the field label color. If you need to adjust a field, click it to move or resize it precisely. Before sending, quickly scan the document from top to bottom to confirm nothing is missing. Make sure there's at least one signature field for your recipient and that date signed is positioned where you want the date to appear. This brief review helps prevent back and forth later. When everything looks correct, click Send. The Send button is typically at the top right. DocuSign immediately emails your recipient a secure link to review and sign the document. You'll see a confirmation on screen that the envelope has been sent. There's nothing else you need to do at this point. DocuSign will handle the delivery and notify you when the signer completes it. That's it. You've logged into DocuSign, selected New and Send an envelope, uploaded your document, added the recipient's name and email, placed the signature, date, and text fields where needed, and clicked Send. Your document has now been sent for signature and is ready for your recipient to sign. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.